Welcome to the Honda Marine Portable Outboard Winterization videos. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare your Honda outboard for long-term storage, which is commonly referred to as winterization. Winterizing your outboard motor prepares it for reliable usage for many years to come. Winterizing your portable outboard motor can expose you to various potential safety hazards. Always consult your owner's manual when performing any of the steps shown in this video. Gasoline is highly flammable and explosive, and you can be burned or seriously injured when handling fuel. Stop the engine and let it cool before handling fuel. Keep away from heat, sparks, and flames. Only handle fuel outdoors. Wipe up any spills immediately. Exhaust contains poisonous carbon monoxide. Breathing carbon monoxide can cause loss of consciousness and may lead to death. Never run your outboard inside a garage or other enclosure. Always refer to the owner's manual for all information regarding the safe operation of your outboard. Outboard should be cleaned and the cooling systems flushed after every use to protect and prevent corrosion from occurring. This should be done before winterizing your outboard as well to prevent water or contaminants from sitting for long periods of time. Clean the outside of the outboard using a wet cloth and touch up any exposed or damaged spots with touch-up paint to prevent corrosion. When flushing your Honda outboard's cooling system, it may be more convenient to use the Honda accessory flush kit that allows the user to perform the flush with just a simple garden hose. Note that this demonstration uses a BF 9.9 portable. Other models like the BF4, 5, and 6 use a different port location. Refer to your owner's manual for model-specific flushing information. Start by disconnecting the fuel hose from the outboard. Tilt the outboard to the down position. Carefully remove the engine cover. Install the Honda flush adapter to the engine. Attach the garden hose to the flush adapter. Turn the water on and allow clean, fresh water to run through the engine for at least 10 minutes, and be sure water coming out is clean and clear. Turn the water off. Finally, tilt the outboard up, allowing the remaining water to drain completely. The flush adapter is not required to flush the cooling system on your outboard, but more attention should be paid to safety when flushing without it because the engine needs to be running. This procedure should be performed outside and all fuel precautions should be followed. Start by removing the propeller from the outboard. Tilt the outboard to the down position into a large container, holding enough water to cover the anti-ventilation plate by at least 2 inches. Start the engine and let it run at low speed for at least 10 minutes to allow the engine to warm up and the thermostat to open fully. Make sure the outboard is in neutral and that the throttle is set to the idle or slow setting. Confirm that water is flowing from the cooling system indicator. With the engine still running, disconnect the fuel source, or you can turn off the fuel valve on some models. Allow the engine to run out of fuel. Finally, tilt the outboard up, allowing the remaining water to drain completely. For any additional information regarding your Honda Marine portable outboard, always refer to your owner's manual.